Hello everybody, this is Coach Jingo, and in this video I'm going to explain the importance of custom conversions, and I will also be showing you how to create one for your particular business or a niche. In order for you to get into it, you have to go to your dashboard, click those dots over on your left, and pag naklik nyo na po siya, you will be shown this pop-up window and go to Events Manager. So after clicking Events Manager, you will be redirected to this window. Ito yung mga pixels natin. Dito yan nakalagay for a particular account, ad account. And then you have to click this one, itong Custom Conversions. Click that. Pupunta kayo dito. Now, if you have a very new ad account, you still don't have custom conversions. Ano bang ginagawa ng custom conversions? Ganito po ito. There are people na mahilig mag-add to cart, mahilig mag-purchase, mahilig lang magbasa ng mga pages. Meron ding mga tao na mahilig mag-opt-in. Yung mga mahilig mag-opt-in, sila yung nagbibigay ng kanilang information like name and email address, and nagsasubmit sila nitong mga info nila in exchange for something. Ito yung ating opt-in incentives or ethical bribes. So, yun yung gusto nila, kaya ibibigay nila ngayon yung kanilang information in order for them to receive what were you offering. Now, kung ang gusto mo, sinabi mo kay Facebook na gusto mong i-optimize yung ads mo para sa mga taong mahilig sa purchase, yun ang i-optimize niya. At yung mga tao na mahilig mag-opt-in, mahilig magbigay ng kanilang information, pag iyon ang hiniling mo kay Facebook, iyon din ang i-optimize niya. So, whatever optimization event you're going to ask from Facebook, that is what Facebook is going to deliver to you. Iyon yung ipe-perform niya according to your instruction. Paano ba gumawa ng custom conversions? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano to gawin. But in the meantime, I will have to read all these things, and probably I can share a thing or two kung ano ang kanilang ibig sabihin. Measure. Use custom conversions to measure the interactions that matter to your business. This can be used to help create custom audiences to use in your ads. So, nasusukat niya yung mga kapasidad ng ating mga audiences, and we can create custom audiences out of these measurements. So, let's say for example, may isang visitor and nagpunta siya sa ating landing page at nag-spend siya doon ng about, let's say, 15 minutes or kahit sabihin na lang natin na 5 minutes. Yung 5 minutes po na pagbisita niya doon, we can track that already. So, kung gusto natin na mga tao na nagbababad, for bloggers for example, yung mga gusto natin yung mga taong nagbababad sa ating page, we can optimize for people like them. And we can create a custom conversion for them na yung mga tao na nagpunta dun sa landing page na yun at nagbabad ng medyo matagal. Okay. Kung gusto natin ng 50% ng time frame na meron doon, if we want the people who will read everything in your landing page or in your blog posts, pwede rin po. So, it's one way to find out the people who are interested with what you are doing. Now, optimize. You can use custom conversions to show ads to people who are most likely to take specific actions. You can map your custom events to standard events and use them to optimize your ad delivery. Kung gusto nyo hingin yung mga mahilig mag-purchase, yung mga engaged shoppers, and so on and so forth. And to be able to do that, kailangan natin ng tulong ng ating pixel. Now, yung share is collaborate on a campaign by sharing custom conversions with other ad or business accounts on Facebook or with third-party agencies. Pwede nyo po itong i-share. And let's say for example, nag-hire kayo ng advertisers for your business, Pwede niyang gawin ito sa sarili niyang business manager. Bibigyan niyo lamang siya ng access sa inyong ad account and then share these custom conversions to that ad account and to that person para magamit niya sa pag-run ng ads para sa inyo. The ad account is Digital PH and now we're going to create a custom conversion for it. Click nyo lang yan and then syempre bibigyan nyo ng pangalan. Landing page views. Kaya ako ito pinili, gusto kong kuhain o sukatin ang mga tao na magbibisita sa landing page. So, para alam ko silang lahat at pwede ko silang i-retarget later on to show them more ads. So, lalagay ko lang din dito, but this is optional, para lang matandaan ko, is the landing page. Landing page views, dagdagan natin ng Digital PH. Ang gusto ko ngayon hanapin is yung mga tao na bumibisita dun sa pages. So, yung URL traffic ang kailangan ko. Now, if I want a specific page, pwede ko yun ilagay dito. So, I'm going to put the specific landing page para dito sa custom conversion event na gagawin ko. And the page is this one. So, kukunin ko to. Okay. Kakopy ko siya. And then, ipipaste ko siya dito. Now that I have pasted that on there, let's say you placed an ad and you are optimizing for landing page views. Yung mga tao na bumisita dito, yun po ang pagbabasihan ni Facebook para i-charge ka. Kasi yun yung hiningi mo. Hindi tayo maglalagay ng conversion value kasi free ebook lang ang meron dito sa landing page na to. Now, we will just hit create. So, narito na po siya. Meron ka ng landing page views custom conversion. Inactive pa siya because nobody is interacting to that page yet. Okay? So, once na mayroon na pong bumisita doon and yung pixel nyo is correctly installed, it will turn into active and then magkakaroon siya dito ng marireceive o magre-reflect dito yung mga bisita ng page na ito. Now, we're going to create one more. I'm just showing you how to create a custom conversion. And you can create as many as you like para sa inyong mga websites. This time, ang gagawin ko is yung leads. Yung mga tao na nakakita ng thank you page. Bakit thank you page? Because yung mga tao po na nag-submit ng kanilang information, once na sinubmit nila, they will be redirected to thank you page. Kung hindi sila nakarating sa thank you page, most likely na hindi sila nag-submit. So, kung hindi sila nag-submit, they are not considered as a lead kasi hindi mo nakuha yung kanilang information. So, the best way to measure the leads is go for the thank you page. Ngayon, ang kukunin natin dito, lalagay ko lang yung DPH. Ang kukunin natin dito is yung URL ng thank you page, no? Okay, lagay ko muna dito, thank you page. And then, ayan na. Ito yung thank you page. After po nag-opt-in yung mga bisita ng landing page na ito, mapupunta sila rito sa page na to. So, ang kukunin ko ngayon is yung URL and then I will paste it here. Now, lahat ng bibisita sa URL na to is considered leads. Okay. And hindi rin natin lalagyan ng conversion value kasi wala namang ibinibenta sa page na to. Now, I'm going to click create. Okay, so there you go. Nandyan na rin po siya at eto na yung isa. That is the way you create custom conversions. There are more ways to create custom conversion. At dito lang po tayo pupunta. So, nakikita nyo to, pwede nyo itong i-click and you can select your own category. Okay, so ito po ay mga recommended ni Facebook. Pwede kayong pumili ng add payment info, pwedeng add to cart, add to wish list, complete registration, contact, customize product, donate, find location, initiate checkout, leads. You can follow Facebook's way of finding the leads, and then purchase, schedule, search, start trial, submit application, subscribe, view content, and other kung meron pa kayong gustong nawala dito. Okay, so, well, nagawa na natin ito, and you can actually create more. You can also do custom conversion for those who are doing blogs, for your sales page, for your add to carts, and so on and so forth. After this, you need to go to your business settings. Now, you need to go to data sources, custom conversions, and then you need to add an asset. Kung anong ad account yung pwedeng gumamit ng custom conversion. Dahil isa lang ang ad account dito, ito lang ang pipiliin ko. But you can choose one or more, depende sa kung ilang ad accounts ang gusto nyong gumamit ng custom conversions nyo at kung marami po kayong ad accounts. So, add, done, and then ito pang isang to, add din natin to, and then add, and done. Yan na po. Connected na yan. So, added na siya. Now, we will go and create a campaign. Para malaman po natin kung itong mga custom conversions natin ay na-set up natin ng tama, we need to check the URL. So, pupunta ulit tayo sa Events Manager and then pupunta tayo sa Test Events. Okay. So, i-check natin yung mga websites na nilagay natin, yung mga URL, kung meron pong na-installed na pixel at kung na-install natin ito properly. So, kukunin natin yung URL ulit, copy, and then, ipipaste natin dito. Open website. So, you can check it through here. It's working. And this is a Chrome plugin extension. Pwede nyo po itong i-add sa inyong Chrome browser at lilitaw ito dito sa dashboard dito sa taas. And then, you can always see if your pixel is working. I-click nyo lang itong icon na to. So, it's working. Somebody has visited the site. Tingnan natin kung may report. So, active na siya. So that's how you create a custom conversion. This is Jingo, and I'll see you next video.